Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. Today, let's discuss the fifth lesson. Seaside. It's a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Have you ever been to the seaside? What happens when you dig the sand very near to the shore? What happens? Have you seen water come up in the hole if you dig near the sea? Let's look what happened for the child in the poem. Okay, look at your textbook. When I was down beside the sea, a wooden spade they gave me to dig the sandy shore. My holes were empty like a cup. In every hole the sea came up till it could come no more. When I was down beside the sea, a wooden spade they gave to me to dig the sandy shore. My holes were empty like a cup. In every hole the sea came up till it could come no more. So, one day the child in the poem went to the seaside. Seaside means near the sea. Okay. And in his hands, he took a wooden spade. Spade, here spade means a toy the children use to dig the sand. Okay. So, one day the boy went to the seaside and in his hands he took a wooden spade. For what? To dig the sandy shore. Okay, to dig the sand in the shore. Okay. And he made holes on the seaside. Okay. He made holes. He made holes with the wooden spade in the seashore or beside the seashore. And his holes like empty. Like a cup. Okay, the holes are empty like a cup. The holes were empty like a cup. But what happened? Every hole the sea came up. So the sea came near to the holes. What will happen? The holes cannot see. What happened? The sea could come here and the holes is no more. Okay, so the water is filled with the holes and it cover up. Okay, so one day the boy went to the seaside and he went there. He also take a wooden spade in his hands. For what? To dig the sandy shore. And he made many holes near the seaside. Okay, and the whole holes like empty. So look like an empty cup. But the sea came up, or see the sea came near to the holes. The water filled with the every holes, and it no more. The holes is no more. Okay, went back. The sea went back there. Again the holes filled with water and it sea no more there. Okay, this is the poem. It's a simple poem. So also all of you understood. I hope that all of you understood. So please read this poem very carefully. Thank you all.